Marbury versus Madison, that was a tussle when the Supreme Court first flexed its muscles. Well, there's a lot of DC drama, but all you need to know, the Prez tried to be a superpower, and the court said no. Plessy versus Ferguson shows us how voices in the Supreme Court don't always make good choices. They said blacks and whites are equal, but should stay separate, which makes about as much sense as going to prom in a singlet. The Supreme Court has the power of judicial review, and that's real important for me and for you. Well, thank God little Linda Brown versus Board of Education came along and said there is no such thing as equal segregation. Now, even though the courts slam the gavel and have their say, we're still fighting racism even to this day. Miranda versus Arizona brought words that do get tested every time a citizen done gets arrested. The court said people should be read their rights, even if they're a lying, cheating, raping dirtbag. The Supreme Court has the power of judicial review, and that's real important for me and for you. In the 60s, some kids wore armbands protesting Vietnam, and the school kicked them out, sent them home to mom. Tinker versus Des Moines said the students have a right to voice their opinions as long as they're polite. Mr. Riley got pulled over for driving without tabs. Police checked his cell phone and all the pics of crime he had. The court said, no, you need a warrant to look at a person's social media. No phones are different than pockets, thanks to Riley v. California. Well, the courts have the power of judicial review, and that's real important for me and for you. Loving v. Virginia, Bush v. Gore, Roe v. Wade, and many men, him, her. The Supreme Court has power of judicial review, and that's real important for me and for you. Well, the Supreme Court has the power of judicial review. That's real important for me